The year was 1942, and as World War II raged on, a covert operation was underway to establish a missile production facility that would change the course of history. Fast forward to today, and that once-fledgling factory has grown into a sprawling complex that holds the title of the world's largest missile manufacturing site. But what secrets lie behind its heavily fortified walls, and how has it managed to maintain its top-secret status for over 7 decades? In this video, we will embark on an unprecedented journey to unravel the enigma surrounding this behemoth of missile production. What cutting-edge technologies and innovative manufacturing processes are employed within its walls? How does a facility of such immense scale and strategic importance maintain its shroud of secrecy? Join us as we piece together the puzzle and shed light on the inner workings of this engineering marvel that has played a pivotal role in shaping modern warfare. Nestled deep within the remote landscapes of Russia, a facility known as the Votkhinsk machine building plant has earned its place in history as the world's largest missile production complex. This sprawling industrial giant, spanning over 1,000 hectares, has been shrouded in secrecy since its inception during the height of the Cold War. Obtaining information about the plant's inner workings and exact location has proven to be an insurmountable challenge, as the Russian government has gone to great lengths to protect its most guarded secrets. The Votkhinsk plant's strategic importance cannot be overstated. Located in the heart of the Udmurt Republic, approximately 1,000 kilometers east of Moscow, this facility has been a key player in Russia's defense industry for decades. The region's vast expanses of dense forests and rugged terrain provide a natural barrier against prying eyes, while the nearby town of Votkhinsk serves as a gateway to this forbidden realm of cutting-edge missile technology. The plant's history is deeply intertwined with the Soviet Union's quest for military supremacy. Established in the 1950s as a response to the escalating tensions of the Cold War, the Votkhinsk plant quickly became a symbol of the country's technological prowess and industrial might. Over the years, it has been responsible for producing some of the most advanced and feared missile systems in the world, including the notorious SS-18 Satan and the SS-27 Topol-M intercontinental ballistic missiles. Despite the collapse of the Soviet Union and the shifting geopolitical landscape, the Votkhinsk plant has managed to maintain its aura of secrecy. The Russian government has implemented strict security measures to prevent any information leaks, with access to the facility being granted only to a select few. The plant's perimeter is heavily guarded, with multiple layers of fencing, surveillance systems, and armed patrols ensuring that no unauthorized individual can penetrate its defenses. The reasons behind the plant's secretive nature are manifold. Firstly, the sensitive nature of the technologies and weapon systems developed within its walls necessitates the highest level of confidentiality. Any breach of security could potentially compromise Russia's military capabilities and strategic advantage. Additionally, the plant's operations are closely tied to matters of national security, as the missiles produced here form the backbone of Russia's nuclear deterrent and defensive arsenal. Furthermore, the Votkhinsk plant's secrecy serves as a psychological tool, projecting an image of strength and invulnerability to potential adversaries. By keeping the world guessing about its true capabilities and the extent of its production capacity, Russia maintains a strategic edge in the ever-evolving landscape of global defense. As we delve deeper into the enigma of the world's largest missile factory, one cannot help but wonder about the marvels of engineering and technological innovation that lie hidden within its walls. The sheer scale of the operations and the mind-boggling statistics associated with the plant's output are sure to leave even the most seasoned industrial enthusiasts in awe. Behind the walls of the Votkhinsk machine-building plant, a marvel of modern engineering and technological prowess hums with unrelenting activity. This industrial behemoth stands apart from its counterparts, not only in terms of sheer size, but also in the groundbreaking advancements that have been pioneered within its heavily guarded confines. One of the most astonishing aspects of the Votkhinsk plant is the mind-boggling scale of its operations. Spanning an area equivalent to a small city, the facility houses an intricate network of production lines, research laboratories, and testing facilities. The numbers associated with the plant's output are equally staggering. It is estimated that the Votkhinsk plant has the capacity to produce hundreds of missiles annually, a testament to the efficiency and precision of its manufacturing processes. To maintain such an impressive level of productivity, the plant relies on an arsenal of cutting-edge machinery and innovative technologies. automated assembly lines, powered by advanced robotics and artificial intelligence, work tirelessly to assemble the various components of each missile with unparalleled accuracy. These machines are capable of performing complex tasks with a level of precision that far surpasses human capabilities, ensuring that each missile meets the stringent quality standards demanded by the Russian military. In addition to its automated systems, the Votkinsk plant also boasts a highly skilled workforce comprising some of the brightest minds in aerospace engineering and missile technology. These experts work tirelessly to design, develop, and refine the missiles that roll off the plant's production lines. Their knowledge and expertise are instrumental in keeping the facility at the forefront of missile technology, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One of the most remarkable technological feats achieved at the Votkinsk plant is the development of advanced guidance systems that allow missiles to strike their targets with pinpoint accuracy. These systems, which incorporate state-of-the-art navigation and control algorithms, enable missiles to maneuver in flight and adjust their trajectories based on real-time data. The result is a level of precision that was once thought impossible, making the missiles produced at the Votkinsk plant some of the most feared and respected in the world. Another area where the plant has made significant strides is in the development of advanced propulsion systems. The missiles manufactured at the Votkinsk plant are equipped with powerful engines that allow them to reach incredible speeds and cover vast distances in a matter of minutes. These engines are the result of years of research and development, and they represent a significant leap forward in missile technology. As we peel back the layers of secrecy surrounding the Votkinsk plant, it becomes clear that this facility is more than just a manufacturing hub. It is a symbol of Russia's technological prowess and a testament to the ingenuity and determination of its people. The unique facts and mind-blowing statistics associated with the plant serve as a reminder of the incredible feats that can be achieved when human knowledge and machine precision are combined. But what of the missiles themselves? What deadly payloads lie in wait within the plant's heavily fortified storage facilities, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice? The answers to these questions remain closely guarded secrets, known only to a select few. However, as we continue our exploration of the world's largest missile factory, we will attempt to shed light on the arsenal of cutting-edge weapon systems that have been forged within its walls. Within the heavily fortified walls of the Votkinsk machine-building plant, an awe-inspiring arsenal of cutting-edge missile technology lies in wait. This industrial powerhouse is responsible for producing some of the most advanced and formidable missiles in the world, each designed to play a crucial role in Russia's national defense and global security strategies. The Votkinsk plant's production lines are a testament to the country's unrivaled expertise in missile engineering, from intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs) to submarine-launched ballistic missiles (SLBMs). The facility manufactures a diverse range of weapon systems that form the backbone of Russia's strategic deterrence capabilities. Among the most notable missiles produced at the Votkinsk plant is the SS-27 Topol-M, a three-stage solid propellant ICBM that boasts a range of over 11,000 kilometers. This highly mobile missile system is designed to evade enemy defenses and deliver a devastating payload with pinpoint accuracy. Equipped with advanced decoys and countermeasures, the Topol-M is a formidable weapon that has significantly enhanced Russia's nuclear strike capabilities. Another key asset in the Votkinsk plant's arsenal is the SS-N-23 Seneva SLBM, a submarine-launched missile that can be deployed from Russia's Delta IV class submarines. With a range of approximately 8,300 kilometers and the ability to carry multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles (MIRVs), the Seneva is a vital component of Russia's sea-based nuclear deterrent. The plant also manufactures the SS-18 Satan, a heavy ICBM that has been a mainstay of Russia's strategic forces for decades. This massive missile, with a length of over 30 meters and a weight of nearly 210 tons, is capable of delivering up to 10 nuclear warheads to targets across the globe. Despite its age, the Satan remains a formidable weapon, and its presence in Russia's arsenal serves as a stark reminder of the country's military might. In addition to these well-known missile systems, the Votkinsk plant is continually developing new and innovative weapons technologies. The facility's teams of highly skilled engineers and scientists work tirelessly to push the boundaries of missile design, incorporating advanced materials, propulsion systems, and guidance technologies into their creations. The missiles produced at the Votkinsk plant are not only remarkable for their technical specifications, but also for their strategic importance. These weapons play a critical role in maintaining the delicate balance of global security, serving as a deterrent against potential adversaries and ensuring that Russia's interests are protected on the world stage. stage. As we contemplate the sheer destructive power contained within the walls of this secretive facility, one cannot help but wonder about the measures taken to safeguard these devastating weapons and the knowledge behind their creation. The Votkingsk plant's ability to maintain its shroud of secrecy is a testament to the extraordinary security protocols and cutting-edge technologies employed to protect its operations. In a facility where cutting-edge missile technology is developed and manufactured, security is of paramount importance. The Votkingsk machine-building plant employs a multi-layered approach to safeguard its secrets, utilizing a combination of physical barriers, advanced surveillance systems, and stringent access control protocols. The plant's perimeter is fortified with high walls, reinforced fences, and strategically placed guard towers, creating an imposing barrier that deters unauthorized entry. To monitor the facility's grounds and detect potential threats, an extensive network of cameras and sensors is deployed, providing real-time surveillance data to a central command center. These sophisticated systems employ advanced algorithms to analyze video feeds and identify suspicious activities, enabling security personnel to respond swiftly to any breaches or anomalies. Biometric identification technologies such as facial recognition and fingerprint scanners are used to verify the identities of authorized personnel and prevent unauthorized access to sensitive areas. Inside the plant, a strict compartmentalization system is in place, ensuring that employees only have access to the information and resources necessary for their specific roles. This need-to-know basis approach minimizes the risk of sensitive data falling into the wrong hands and allows for tighter control over the flow of information within the facility. Secure communication channels, encrypted data storage, and robust cybersecurity measures are employed to protect digital assets and prevent unauthorized access to classified networks. In addition to these technical safeguards, the Votkingsk plant places a strong emphasis on human factors in security. All personnel undergo rigorous background checks and security clearance processes before being granted access to the facility. Regular training programs are conducted to educate employees on security protocols, data handling procedures, and the importance of maintaining the utmost discretion regarding their work. A culture of vigilance and accountability is fostered, encouraging individuals to report any suspicious activities or potential vulnerabilities. Given the hazardous nature of the materials and processes involved in missile production, safety is an equally critical concern at the Votkingsk plant. Stringent protocols are in place to prevent accidents and mitigate the consequences of any potential incidents. Fire suppression systems, blast-resistant structures, and specialized containment facilities are designed to withstand the unique risks associated with missile manufacturing. Regular safety drills and emergency response training ensure that personnel are prepared to handle any crisis situation that may arise. The Votkingsk plant's commitment to safety extends beyond its immediate operations. The facility adheres to strict environmental regulations, implementing measures to minimize its ecological footprint and prevent the release of hazardous substances into the surrounding area. Waste management systems and pollution control technologies are employed to ensure that the plant's activities do not pose a threat to the health and well-being of the local population or the natural environment. As we contemplate the extraordinary measures taken to secure the secrets and ensure the safety of the Votkingsk machine-building plant, we are reminded of the immense responsibility that comes with being at the forefront of missile technology. The facility's ability to maintain its shroud of secrecy while operating at the cutting edge of engineering is a testament to the dedication and expertise of its personnel, as well as the effectiveness of the security and safety protocols in place. In conclusion, the Votkingsk machine-building plant stands as a silent sentinel, guarding the secrets of Russia's most advanced missile technologies. This industrial behemoth, shrouded in mystery and fortified by the most stringent security measures, plays a pivotal role in safeguarding the nation's defense capabilities and maintaining the delicate balance of global security. The awe-inspiring arsenal produced within its heavily guarded walls, from the mobile and elusive Topol-M ICBMs to the submarine-launched Sinova SLBMs, serve as a powerful deterrent against potential adversaries and a testament to Russia's engineering prowess. As we reflect on the incredible feats of technology and the unwavering dedication of the plant's personnel, we are reminded of the immense responsibility that comes with being at the forefront of missile production. The Votkingsk plant's ability to operate at the cutting edge of defense technology while maintaining an impenetrable veil of secrecy is a testament to the effectiveness of its multi-layered security approach, and the commitment of its workforce to upholding the highest standards of safety and discretion. While its existence may be hidden from public view, the impact of this unseen guardian on the global stage cannot be overstated, as it continues to shape the landscape of international security from behind closed doors.